automation is shaping the future of spaces. Cephlon brings that future to you. With Cephlon, ordinary spaces become truly smart living environments. Meet CRT Module, a smart device that allows you to control 2 curtains remotely. Let's walk through the installation process. Connect the both live wires of curtain to the live wire of your home and connect live wire on common slot of curtain module. Next, take the open wire of curtain 1 and connect it to the open slot, labeled as OP under curtain 1. Connect close wire to close slot, labeled as CL under curtain 1. Now, take the open wire of curtain 2 and connect it to the open slot, labeled as OP under curtain 2. Again, connect close wire to close slot, labeled as CL under curtain 2. Next, connect neutral wire of curtain motors to neutral wire of your home. Finally, connect the Cephlon 12-volt power supply to the curtain module, ensuring power supply connected to live and neutral wires. Now check both curtains function normally. For pairing instructions and app features, tap the eye icon above to watch our tutorials.